Hi, I'm Jaime de Diego. We are stuck at home, and I've got a challenge for you. Are you up for it? The truth is, I'm an action photographer. I needed to think of something, so I thought, why not try to freeze water? Try to freeze movement. Let's see what you think. This is the photo I propose you. For this picture, you will need a keen volunteer, a tennis ball or similar, and finally, a pot full of water. If you got a terrace, great! If not, you could also do this in the shower. And of course, you don't need a professional camera. You can do it with any amateur one. As our helpful volunteer throws the ball in the air, we had to take the picture. Hey, take a look at this. This is a shutter, and it is inside of the camera, and it allows you to set the shutter speed. 1 second is a low shutter speed, and 1/1000 is a fast shutter speed. First, select TV mode on your camera to 1/1000, 1/2000, or 1/4000. So, why TV mode? Because in this mode, you select a shutter speed, and the camera automatically sets the right aperture. Remember that when you are in a semi-automatic mode, you can easily under and over exposure. Set the ISO to automatic. ISO represents how sensitive to the light your camera is, and is the third fundamental pillar of good exposure. The higher the ISO number, the more sensitive your camera is. We are going to set the ISO to automatic, so that the camera adapts automatically to whatever light situation you encounter. Finally, select Burst Mode. You can use the same technique to take other creative pictures at home. If you have shot in RAW format, you can develop your pictures with Canon Digital Photo Professional. So, I hope you are feeling inspired and you have enjoyed seeing how it's done. Hey, and don't forget to share your pics in social media, tagging Canon and using the hashtag CanonConnected.